Hello, this is Attorney Mercy, and this is your Mercy Minute. Today we're going to talk about court attire. Now, for trials and for important hearings, your attorney may tell you to wear a suit, okay? And when they ask you to wear a suit, to that I say, wear a suit. Fellas, wear a suit. Ladies, wear a suit. Wear a suit. Make sure that the suit, all it has to do is A, be clean, B, fit your body. This body that you have right now. All right? The body that you have right now. Not the one 3 months ago when you did that awesome cleanse. Not the one in 10 months or the one that's on your vision board. I need the suit to fit this body right now. Fellas, wear a belt. Let me tell you why. It's not only fashionable, it's functional. Because what ends up happening is a lot of times, depending on what courthouse you are, what courtroom you're in, they may not take the handcuffs off if you haven't bonded out. So what ends up happening is every time you stand up or sit down, you got to constantly shove your shirts in and shove and try to pull your underwear in. It doesn't help. That's not what I want the jury to focus on. I want the jury to focus on your defense and not focus on you trying to get all these layers into your pants. So wear a belt that fits your body. Hey, I get this often. Hey, Miss Mercy, but I can't afford a suit. Guess what? Here's some things. Goodwill, Salvation Army, or the public defender's offices usually have like closets in which they have suits, older suits. They have, suits and belts and shoes that you can pick from. So those will be free. Or they have access to volunteer organizations that can donate suits if you have time to do that. If not, go to the Goodwill, go to the Salvation Army. I would suggest going to the ones in a richer neighborhood. You can have access to better suits, but get you a suit. It is integral to your defense. It's a very important part. That is what the jury is seeing. That is what they're seeing. Okay? Ladies, wear a suit. It could be a pantsuit, a skirt suit, but wear a suit with regards to the shirt. If you are a little bit more in doubt, maybe you don't want to do a button down. All right? If that button is doing that stress test, when it looks like you're about to be a superhero and it's like stretching, it don't fit. And let me tell you why. It's not for fashion, it's for function. Because what ends up happening, it like chips away at your self-confidence because you're self-conscious about, hey, can they see my bra? Hey, can they see my body? Because there's a gaping hole right here. So instead of trying to do the pins and all that other stuff, wear a shirt, wear a cami, wear a blouse. All right, just wear that because you'll be more comfortable. You can focus on focusing on the testimony, or focus on what the prosecutor is saying instead of trying to figure out if people can see, your boobs. All right, fellas, all right, undershirt. It's very important. The courtroom is pretty cold, so if we're out here and you don't have a suit jacket, I don't want to see your nips. Okay, or if you have a problem like me, I'm pretty sweaty, so it's like, hey, this is a very important time of your life. Wearing an undershirt, soak it up. All right, we don't need the sweat spots. Okay, let the jury focus on you, on your defense, and not focus on the mishaps with clothes. Okay, fellas, shoes. Wear hard bottoms. Wear regular shoes. It does not have to be fashionable. All right. You can be flashy when you're free, but you're not free yet. So stop being flashy. Wear regular loafers or regular shoes. I don't care how much the Jordans cost. Don't do that. Juries look at everything. Ladies, with your shoes, make sure you can walk in them. All right. If you can't walk from the car to the courthouse, leave those shoes in the car. This is not the time to practice on how to walk in high heels. All right. Some of y'all out here trying to find your graduation shoes. Stop. All right. If you can't walk in heels, it's okay. There are fashionable, functional flats out there. Okay. For those who don't know, if you're not sure if it looks good, if you're not sure, guess what? It's 2019. Take a photo. Do a dry run, take a whole photo of your body and send the picture to your attorney. Your attorney will tell you what they like and what they don't like, and do everything with accessories and all. Because what we don't want, we want you to look like the defense. We can't say, hey, you only work here and you only make this amount of money, but you blinging out of control. It's not congruent. It don't make sense. Okay? And for new things, hey, with your hair, hey, I am locked and loaded. Okay? So if your attorney tells you, hey, because your hair didn't lock yet, you just did the twist because you were in jail. If it ain't locked yet, hey, if they tell you to do a Caesar fade, guess what you getting? A Caesar fade. This ain't the time. Be flashy when you free. We not free yet. Okay? Sometimes we want you to look different than your booking photo. So be different. All right? So listen to your attorney. Okay? Unless it is connected to a religious ceremony or a religious expression that you've been doing more than 6 months, if it's not connected to that, cut it. All right? Help me. Help me to help you. If we tell you to do it, just do it. All right? You could be flashy when you're free. But as of right now, it's okay to be boring. It is okay to be boring. With regards to new things, this ain't the time, like I said, to get the memorial tattoo of your friend that passed away on your neck. All right? If trial may be in your immediate future, this ain't the time to add more tattoos. No. Stop. Okay? Be flashy when you're free. All right? Last but not least, the person that can be flashy, let your attorney have it. Let your attorney wear the crazy colored bow ties. Let him wear the crazy neon bright suspenders if that's who you hired. Or let her wear the red bottoms. But you, it's okay to be boring. It's trial time. It's okay to be boring. We want the jury to relate to you. Okay? Be flashy when you're free. But until then, it's okay to be boring. All right? Put in pop. Okay? Sugar foot. Okay? You can be flashy later. You can wear your Louis Vuittons when you're free. But as right now, it's okay to wear the Payless. All right? So go on and find those. Okay? All right? That's your Mercy Minute. Bye.